India updates. Discover the latest trends and stay ahead. Meta description. Discover the latest updates and developments in the Indian stock market. Stay ahead of trends and make informed investment decisions. Explore the dynamic world of Indian stocks. Introduction. In the realm of finance, the Indian stock market stands as a dynamic hub where fortunes are made and trends are set. Staying informed about the latest developments is not just an option, it's a necessity for anyone with a stake in the market. In this comprehensive article, we dive into the exciting world of Indian stock market news, bringing you the most recent updates and trends that can help you navigate the complex landscape and make sound investment choices. Exploring stock market news in India. The significance of stock market news. Stock market news plays a pivotal role in guiding investors, traders, and enthusiasts through the ever-evolving journey of the Indian stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone looking to step into the world of stocks, staying abreast of the latest news empowers you to make well-informed decisions. Current highlights and market trends. The Indian stock market is a pulsating arena with trends that shift and reshape with every passing day. From the rise of specific sectors to the influence of global events, these trends can have a profound impact on stock prices and market sentiment. By keeping an eye on these developments, you gain valuable insights that can help you identify potential opportunities and risks. Staying ahead of the curve. In the fast-paced realm of stock trading, timing is everything. Stock market news provides you with the tools to stay ahead of the curve, anticipate market movements, and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. By capitalizing on timely news, you can potentially maximize your returns and minimize potential losses. Leveraging stock market news for your investments. Informed decision-making. Access to real-time stock market news empowers you to make decisions grounded in accurate information. Whether you're contemplating a new investment or considering a portfolio adjustment, staying informed is essential for making choices that align with your financial goals. Stock market news is a vital component of risk management. Sudden shifts in market sentiment, regulatory changes, and global economic developments can impact your investments. Being aware of these factors allows you to proactively manage risks and protect your portfolio. While risk mitigation is crucial, stock market news also serves as a tool for identifying potential opportunities. By analyzing market trends, company performance, and sector-specific news, you can spot emerging trends and position yourself to capitalize on growth. The Indian stock market is a dynamic environment, and significant news can arise on a daily basis. Staying connected to reputable financial news sources is essential to keep yourself informed. Stock market news can influence investor sentiment, leading to fluctuations in individual stock prices. Stock market news is relevant throughout the trading day. However, news releases and market-moving events often have a more immediate impact during trading hours. Reputable financial news websites, official stock exchanges, and market analysis platforms are reliable sources for accessing stock market news. Stock market news can help you with long-term investment strategies. While stock market news provides insights into current market conditions, long-term investment strategies should also consider broader economic trends and company fundamentals. Is stock market news relevant for short-term traders? Yes, stock market news is highly relevant for short-term traders, as it can provide insights into intraday volatility and market sentiment. In the world of Indian stock market news, knowledge is power. Staying informed about the latest updates, trends, and developments allows you to navigate the market with confidence and make decisions that align with your investment goals. Whether you're an experienced investor or someone looking to embark on a stock market journey, leveraging the power of information through stock market news can be the key to your